Yo guys, what's up? How would you like to pay zero taxes? Yeah, that's what this is about. So we're going to do some tax loss harvesting. So if you guys been with my channel at all over this last year, we made a ton of money. Time to shave some of those gains off and deduct that from our taxes. So we have to pay less taxes at the end of the year. Last year was bad because we made way too much money and I didn't have a lot of losses. But this year, woo-wee, we've got losses, baby. So, first, number one, here we go. Palantir. The darling. Once darling. Now, what the heck's going on with it? Who knows? You can see I have a couple of calls here that expire in January that I bought as leaps. Well, that was a big mistake. A lot of hype over Palantir. It doesn't look good for Palantir right now, but I still like this company long term. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to sell this stock, and then next year, 30 days, so I avoid the wash sale rule, I'm going to get it back. Or I'm going to at least sell on some cash covered puts so I can start reacquiring it. So you see I have 1,700 shares. Woo-wee! I'm down $30,000. So, oh my gosh. This is terrible. All right, so last year we made a lot of money. This year we still made good money, but so this will take a fraction of here. So we're going to say trade, right? So we're going to sell at 47. We're going to sell it all, 1,700 shares. Ready? Here we go. We're going to lose 30 grand. And I'm going to cry all the way home. All right, let's go look. Oh gosh, here we go. That's 30K I just lost. Whew. Now, typically I don't like losing. And that's why I wait to the very last minute, the end of the year. So, I know today is the December 28th, 2022. I don't know when you guys are going to see this. You'll probably see it tomorrow, Thursday. It's Wednesday. So, that was 30K. Holy cow, that's huge. That's a massive loss. That should cover at least some of my gains for the year, maybe a third or so. If you guys have been following my channel, we've been making tons of money in the stock market, and there are a couple of stocks that just really tanked. This one tanked. Beyond Meat really tanked a lot, but I unloaded a lot of shares, thankfully. Look, there's more I could take. AMC. ChargePoint, I'm going to build a position there because ChargePoint EVs, man, they are just taking off. GoEV, another one, potentially not doing real great. There was some takeover talk about Apple, but nothing materialized. All right, you can see Oxy, Occidental Petroleum. You know, Warren Buffett bought a bunch of it. I should have bought a whole lot more. That stock did really well. $14 to $61. Oh well, I had a bunch more and I sold some off. With my cash covered put strategy as well as my covered call strategy. They got sold off as the stock went up. So I did make quite a bit of money. Ozark Bank, still a good one. I might want to consider selling some cash covered, some covered calls on that one. We'll see how that goes next year. All right, X is a U.S. Steel. It's just a tracker. Right now, I'm really interested in U.S. Steel. I like it a lot. You can see it's still in the 20s. Good deal. Ruth Chris Steakhouse, another good one. Could go up or could go down depending on what happens. Nikola, another really bad deal. Milton really hosed us there. I'm going to hang on to it for now. I already have 30 grand in losses that I just took. And like I said before, that'll shave my expenses, my tax bill down at the end of the year. And that should be pretty good. If you guys want to learn more about taxes and that kind of stuff, subscribe to the channel and join up. Next year, I'm going to talk about the wash sale rule and how to avoid that and how to do that in the stock market and be safe from the tax man, because the IRS man cometh. They cometh for you. Make no mistake. All right, guys, that's all I have for today. Be sure you subscribe and join up to my channel if you want to make tons of money in the stock market and learn how to pay no taxes if you have a couple of stocks that don't do so well, or at least reduce your tax liabilities at the end of the year for next year. All right, guys, thanks for watching.